This 2023 Thor Motor Coach Quantum WS31 is a Class C RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor motor coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, air conditioning, TV, carbon monoxide detector, awning, LP detector, spare tire kit, slide-out, stove top burner, external shower, smoke detector, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.